everybody. And Apple has finally released iPhone SE 2 or iPhone 9. And in today's video, we will be reviewing exactly this iPhone. And I'm leaving you with its trailer. So, Apple released its new iPhone SE 2, and let's go to the apple.com and really see what's the matter. Here you go. Lots to love, less to spend. And it starts only with $399. I think that's the cheapest iPhone so far. Even cheaper than iPhone 8. So it has 4.7 Retina HD display, A13 Bionic chip. Touch ID again. Also 4K at 30 FPS extended dynamic range. Also quick take video, wireless charging, portrait mode, water and dust resistant, stereo recording. I don't know what this is. All this just an only. Okay, let's go to the iPhone section and let's really see what's new. Let's see. View, learn more. Yeah, I think we shall see it. Oh yeah, here we go. So, iPhone SE, what's to love, what's to spend? Cool. So SE packs our most powerful chip into our most popular size at your most affordable price. It's just what you've been waiting for. Pre-orders begin at 5 p.m. Okay. Whoa, durable glass and aluminium design. Brilliant 4.7 Retina HD display, as big as iPhone 8. iPhone 11 Pro called it wants its chip back. A13 chip. And whoa, gaming thing. We put the brains of iPhone 11 Pro in the body of iPhone SE. A13 Bionic is the fastest chip ever in a smartphone period. So everything feels fluid. Whether you're launching apps, playing the latest games, or exploring new ways to work and play with augmented reality. Here is the white version. I think small you're in portrait mode. Okay, they have a portrait mode. Cool. The advanced camera system with A13 Bionic brings your portrait mode, which artfully blurs the background to put the focus on your subject, even when you're taking selfies. Okay. Then depth control. Yeah. Like portrait lighting, just the basic stuff about the portrait mode. Let there be light and shadow and contour. Next generation Smart HDR. Oh, Smart HDR. That's a mentionable thing. High definition video. Cool. Okay, 4K video means you'll see 4 times more details than in 1080p HD video. An extended dynamic range adds greater detail in highlights and shadows. Okay, cool. Now, yeah, quick take. What is quick take? By the way, this is really interesting. When a photo OP turns into a video OP, you can instantly start recording the video by just holding the shutter. Okay, cool. Now, is that all? No. Home sweet home button. Okay, with its Touch ID. Touch ID lets you securely unlock iPhone. Yeah, you know what's Touch ID. Privacy is built in. I'm really interested if there's any Face ID, but I don't think so. Everything we make is designed to give you control over your information all day. Okay, just a privacy thing. Survive splashes, sloshes, sprinkles, sprays, splatters, and spills. Okay. 1 meter for 30 minutes. Okay, great. So it's water resistant. Nothing new again. Binge-worthy battery life. Okay, cool battery life it means. Okay, the show must go on. So iPhone SE lets you watch up to 13 hours of video in a single charge when you do need to power up. Just say down a wireless charger. Okay, so it's a wireless charger. Good. Or connect to an 12-watt fast charger. adapted to go from 0 to up to 50% in 30 minutes. So in 1 hour, it's gonna go to like only 1 hour for charging. That's great. Built for iOS 13 and beyond. Nothing new. Comes in comes in black, comes in white, and powerful red. Yeah, even more great stuff. Use AR to see iPhone SE. That's great. White or red. Cool. And by the way, this Apple logo is in the center as in the 2020 models, 2019 models. It's for iPhone accessories. Okay, just nothing new. Why's worth upgrading from your iPhone to iPhone SE? See what you're okay. Have an Android. Okay, doesn't matter. See what we're missing. Let's see. iPhone SE versus your iPhone. This is not my iPhone actually. iPhone. Here's the iPhone SE. Here's the iPhone SE 2nd generation. So first of all, display is quite bigger, then much faster. Okay, just nothing new. Nothing new. Oh, and by the way, here we get this new iPhone SE. I think, yeah, that's correct. Now let's go back, and now finally, this is my favorite part about all of this stuff. We can now finally compare this iPhone with other iPhone models that we are interested in. So let's just tap compare, and here we go. We need iPhone SE 2nd generation. Let's take iPhone 8 because it's really like iPhone 8. And let's take iPhone, SE, the 1st generation. So let's see what's new. Well, the color, the red one, quite interesting, and it starts from $399. Cool. Let's view pricing first of all, yeah. So, let's just, okay, I will just simply choose black, it doesn't matter really. So, for the 64 gigabytes, you can $399, 128 $449, and $549 for 256 gigs. Take this. Yeah, the most expensive one is for $549, and the cheapest one is $399. Great! Finally, Apple has learned its lesson that, what's lesson? Okay, so yeah, going back here to iPhone 8 and this 1st generation. So here we have glass aluminium design, great. Display, absolutely the same. FaceTime HD, okay. Well, this is absolutely the same with iPhone 8. Not like iPhone. It's 1st generation, of course. And all of them have Touch ID. But here's the thing. It has A13 Bionic chip, while iPhone 8 has A11 and SE1 A9. Now, lasts about the same lasts about the same as iPhone 8, and on the 8 we get lasts about the same as iPhone 7. So we can say that iPhone SE2 lasts about the same as iPhone 7. Now, and both of them are water resistant on 1 meter, so great. Then it comes for 64, 128, as well as 256 gigs. Also, display is absolutely the same. All this stuff is absolutely the same, so nothing really new. Here's the new thing: haptic touch. Of course, we get haptic touch with this iPhone SE2. And here's the 3D touch. Okay, now let's see size and weight. So size is absolutely the same as with iPhone 8, width as well, depth as well as the weight. Whoa, that's interesting. Okay, cool. Well, splash burn resistance the same, and the chip A13. Okay, cameras. Well, camera is absolutely the same here as well. Oh, we have portrait mode with advanced and depth control, and portrait lighting with 6 effects. New natural, studio, contrast, stage mono, high key mono. do not have an iPhone 8. We do not have portrait mode on iPhone 8. And video recording is absolutely the same as well, but extending dynamic range for video up to 30 FPS. Okay, so we'll just quickly dive through it that like iPhone SE 2 is almost the same as iPhone 8. They just added a 13 bionic chip. Hope you enjoyed this video, because this is all what you need to know about iPhone SE so far. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel to see more, like, comment, and see you all next time.